Hello everyone. It was a very exciting day yesterday with Apple releasing new Apple Watches, all new iPad Air, and iPad 8th generation. Most of the specs were predicted by leakers, and today let's go through some of the features of these new products. I am Alex, and welcome to Miss Missing Tech channel. Let's get started. So first off, Apple Watch Series 6, which has quite similar design to that of the Apple Watch Series 5. Along with the space black titanium, gold stainless steel, silver aluminum, they have introduced navy blue and red as two new colors. Apple has added the new oximetry sensor on the backside of the watch, which shines bright infrared light into your veins and gives you the reading of blood oxygen saturation in about 15 seconds. Apple has introduced a blood oxygen app on the Apple Watch, which takes background readings of the oxygen level even while you're sleeping. This helps in various health studies such as asthma research, heart failures, and so on. The watch comes with a new S6 processor that is based on the A13 chip, which is 20% faster and gives the watch more efficient battery life. The Series 6 has a 2.5 times brighter display using the same battery life, which means always on feature will be much brighter. Apple also has introduced solo stretchy loop bands in nylon and silicone variants that's available in different sizes. The watch will be operated in watchOS 7. The new family setup feature allows you to control multiple watches from one iPhone, which is pretty handy for those who have just one iPhone in a family. Next one is the Apple Watch SE, which is quite similar to the Series 5 variant. However, it has lesser feature compared to the Apple Watch Series 5. The Apple Watch SE doesn't have always on display and doesn't have ECG features. So in India, the Series 6 starts from 41,000 rupees and Apple Watch SE starts from 30,000 rupees. And of course, you will get the Series 3 Apple Watch for around 21k. Apple has celebrated their 10th year of iPad with the iPad 8th generation and iPad Air series. As expected, iPad 8th generation has the A12 chip with better capability and has 40% faster CPU and 2 times faster graphics. Other than this, almost all the other features available are similar to the 7th generation iPad. The final one is the new iPad Air series. Apple has removed the bezels from the top and the bottom, and they have removed the home button. As expected, they have taken the design from the previous iPad Pro model. However, they don't have the Face ID feature. Instead, they are using a fingerprint scanner on the power button. Along with the silver and space gray color variants, they have introduced rose gold, sky blue, and green color as their new 3 colors. iPad Air now has a 10.9-inch display. However, it doesn't have a 120Hz refresh rate, which might be missing from the iPhone 12 as well. Also, they have used A14 chip in iPad Air, that too before it's being used in an iPhone. It gives a 40% faster CPU and 30% faster graphics. Apple also have included the USB-C connector for the new Air series. It supports 2nd generation Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard as expected, thereby reducing the gap between the Pro iPad models and the Air series iPad models. So in India, the iPad starts from 54,990 Indian rupees and the 8th generation iPad starts from 29,900 rupees. That's all from me today. New Apple Watches, new iPads, an exciting day. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. See you all soon. Stay safe.